Hello there, traders. This is Miss Put Options. My website is www.missputoptions.com. I am giving out $300. Believe it or not, I'm giving away $300, a $300 giveaway given out by Miss Put Options. The best way to access my website is through Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. Now, here is the catch to the $300 giveaway. The giveaway is going to be in a form of a gift certificate to the store of your choice. However, the store has to be a major department store like Target's, Best Buy, J.C. Penney's, Lowe's. It has to be a major department store. You must be 18 years of age. There is only one winner per household, and this is how it's going to work. If you've already liked my page, you're still eligible to win the $300. But if you haven't liked my page thus far, number one, you have to like my page. Number two, you have to email me a request. And what is this request all about? My email address is right here. It's missputoptions@gmail.com. What you're requesting is that I send you a postcard with my advertisement on it. So when you send me a request, you send me your full name, your full address, where you want the postcard to go. I will send you a postcard. This will make you eligible to win the $300 giveaway, and the giveaway comes in the form of a gift certificate. The store of your choice, it must be a major department store that has gift certificates where I can send you the gift certificate certified mail. You are going to sign it saying that you received the gift certificate. Now, when I pull out the winner, I will go back to your page to make sure that you have liked my page. If you have not liked my page, if it's not visible to Miss Put Options, then I will have to go on to another winner. So don't think you can like my page and then unlike my page and think you're going to win, because that's not going to be the case. I will only be using your address in order to send you the postcard, and if you win, I will be using your address in order to send you your winnings, your $300 giveaway. This is only going to be given out to one winner. Now, I'm not going to reveal to you how many postcards I have to give out, but once all the postcards are given out, all the requests have been filled, I will send you a confirmation saying, yes, you are eligible to win the $300 giveaway and your postcard is in the mail. By no means do you have to have the postcard in your hand in order to win. However, there is a catch. If you send me the wrong address and the postcard comes back to me, you will not be eligible to win. Again, if you send me a request and you send me a bogus address, and the address that you give to me, when I send that postcard to that address, if the postcard comes back to me, you will not be eligible to win. Okay? So once again, Miss Put Options is giving away $300. It's going to come in the form of a gift certificate. You must be 18 years of age. There is only one postcard given out per household. You must like my Facebook page. You must send me an email request to missputoptions@gmail.com. Once you do that, I will send you a confirmation saying I have sent you a postcard. If you are the winner, the name and address that you put on that email will be sent. If you are the winner, that same name and that address, if you are the winner, it will be sent to that address. It will be sent in the form of a gift certificate. It can be any department store you decide upon, as long as they have gift certificates. It has to be like Target, Best Buy, J.C. Penney's, Lowe's, you name it. As long as they have gift certificates available, Miss Put Options will send it certified mail. That means you have to sign it confirming that you did get your winning $300 gift certificate from Miss Put Options. Remember, my website can only be accessed through Internet Explorer and not Google Chrome. Good luck to all of you guys. If you have any questions, please email me at missputoptions@gmail.com. This is the only reason why I'm needing your address is in order to send you the postcard. After all the postcards are issued out, then the winner will be announced. I will never, ever, ever use your address again. I promise you that unless you win. If you win, I will use your address again in order to send you your winnings. Again, Miss Put Options has given out money. I have given out gift certificates to Red Lobster. I have given out a Galaxy tablet. I have given out a gift certificate to several stores. You name it, I've given it. I am a person of my word. So if you want $300, email me a request at missputoptions@gmail.com. Thank you so much.